So on July 25th, all of the planets are lining up. And and in this alignment, this is teaching you that when we align as a consciousness, as a collective consciousness, then the planet itself will align and heal itself and reconfigure itself. So the planet, the stars, everything is realigning itself. So we're going through these shifts of these higher consciousness, and this is pretty much upgrading everything in our reality. And so this is why you have these this is why you have these alignments. Since we are like a mini version of the universe and we're connected, we affect this aura field with our consciousness when we increase in consciousness. So as you see, the auric field of us is just like the auric field of the earth. And the North Star and the South Star are the poles. And these poles are shifting the opposite direction. Why are they doing that? Because remember, this reality is what we call inside out, or what we call adverse. So this reality is getting shifted back to its proper state of being, because you remember, anything that the adversary or the devil or anything that any of these other beings do, all they do was pervert or turn it around. So like, even if you've seen, let me show you something. So you have the North Star and the South Star Polaris, and this is talking about poles or pillars. They pull it, pillars, they pull you, right? So these are talking about like the you know how you think of red and blue pill, thinking about positive and negative, what you call will. Then you have what you call masculine and feminine. So the masculine and feminine is teaching you the masculine is above and the feminine is below, but that's only in our sphere. And there's other spheres that there's around us. So the Earth is actually a sphere of electromagnetic and other force, strong and weak nuclear force of energy, right? But in the strong force is more like a dielectric pressure to the center mass. The weak force, which comes from the black hole sun, is more about neutrinos. We're talking about okay, if you have dielectric pressure to the center mass, then you have your weak nuclear force, which is talking about magnetic attraction on the outer shell. Or talking about when you're talking about your neutrinos and everything else that come with your electrons. So the electrons are pretty much just the decay of electrical energy, and it has to fill the magnetic shell, or it has to balance out the shell of the atom. So this is the same thing we were talking about the Earth, and how the Earth has these black sun, which this magnetic energy moves